Jump in!
Today, Daddy Pig has a surprise for Peppa at the treehouse.
Here! Oh!
Wow!
But the treehouse isn't here.
This isn't...
A surprise! Wow! There are so many Easter eggs.
George and I thought the bigger the eggs, the bigger the surprise.
Well, you've got me there. What do you think, Peppa?
I love them. And George does too, don't you? George, where are you?
It's an Easter egg hunt, not hide and seek, George.
Is the egg hatching?
No, it's not a real egg, is it?
Of course not. I don't think it... No, it can't be. Can it?
It's George!
Phew.
Come here!
Come on then, you two.
But George isn't here.
George has disappeared again.
Where is he?
George!
How's he doing this?
This Easter egg hunt is more like a George hunt.
Ah, over there.
Peppa and her family try and catch George by being quick.
Gonna get you.
And by being sneaky. And even using George's favourite toy.
No, Mr. Dinosaur. I don't know where George is. Sorry, Mr. Dinosaur. No playtime today. Oh. Whoa!
Come on, George. We're going to get you.
Whoa!
There you are.
Can we play again, please?
Well, there aren't any more eggs.
Only these pieces. Hang on. Is that our sink?
And this is from the tree house.
I had to get the bricks from somewhere.
Well, guess we'd better get building, eh, gang?
Yay!
Everyone loves Easter egg hunts, and everyone loves George hunts too.